हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल बीसी वाली ज्ञान की गंगा में। आज हम लाए हैं आपके लिए हिस्ट्री नेट का पेपर जो कि गूगल द्वारा गेस्ट पेपर है। तो वो 100 MCQs जो गूगल एआई ऑन प्रीवियस ईयर बेसिस के क्वेश्चंस के बेसिस पे बता रहा है कि इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। सो एक उनका रिवीजन कर लेना चाहिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दोस्तों। तो हमारे क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, which of the following Indus Valley civilization site provide the earliest archaeological evidence of the plug field? तो ये हमें मिलता है दोस्तों, प्लग फील्ड मिला हमें कालीबंगन से। द फेमस ग्रामर टेक्स्ट ऑफ द संगम इज टोकपियाम, ये हमें मिला है दोस्तों सी टोकपियार से। Who among the following Mauryan official was specifically in charge of the collection of revenue? B. Samharta. The multilingual Bogaskoi inscription 14th century BC mention which of the following combination of Vedic deities? So it's Indra, Mitra, Varuna, Nastyas. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं दोस्तों। इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ एंशियंट इंडियन इकोनॉमिक हिस्ट्री द टर्म श्रेणी रेफर टू a guild of merchants or artisans. The dynamic dockyard structure proving maritime trade links with Mesopotamia was exhibited at which Harappan site? So ये Lothal. Which Buddhist council was held during the reign of King Ashoka at Patliputra, presided over by Moggaliputta Tissa, third council of Buddhist council. The legal category of land known as Agraha in the Gupta and post-Gupta period denoted land granted to C. Brahmanas or religious institution tax-free. Which early dynamic inscription provides clear record of the repair of Sudarshani Lake by a Sakar ruler? That is Junagadh rock inscription of Rudraman. The system of double burial, burying two individuals together, has been uncovered from which specific Harappan coastal outpost? Lothal. Which text is considered the earliest canonical composition of Jainism containing doctrines taught by Mahavira? The 12 Angas. The historical dynamic office of Sadhvi Vigrahika during the Gupta administration era was responsible for foreign affairs, peace and war. Next दोस्तों, the structural system of local democratic village administrative via executive committee was unique feature of which South Indian Empire? The empirical Cholas, option C. Which philosophical system of ancient India was strongly advocated by Kannada, focusing on atomism and physics? That was Vaishika. Option B. The Chinese traveler Zhuozhang Wensang visited India and stayed extensive year of Nalanda University during the reign of Harshvardhan. Question number 16. In the Vedic political framework, the term Sabha and Smriti represents popular tribal assemblies advising the chief. Next दोस्तों, the famous rock cut Kailash Nath temple at Ellora, carved out of a single monolithic rock, was constructed by Krishna I. Their राष्ट्रकूट के जो वंश के जो राजा थे कृष्णा वन, उन्होंने ये बनाया। Which ancient India text provides an explicit political framework detailing espionage, statecraft, and this Saptanga theory of state? Arthashastra of Kautilya. The concept of Dhamma initiated by Ashoka was primarily intended to a code of social ethics and moral conduct for state harmony. Option B. The ancient historical port of Puhar, Kaveri Patnam, served as the primary commercial coastal capital for which early Sangam period? Cholas. Which historical sultan Delhi created the structural market control policy fixing the prices of all essential commodities. Alauddin Khilji, option B. The land revenue system known as Zabt or the Shala system under Akbar reign was designed and perfected by Raja Todermal. The institution administrative concept of Nayankara system was a prominent structural feature of the Vijayanagar Empire. Who among the following Sufi saints was famously called Mehboob-e-Ilahi, the beloved of God? Nizamuddin Auliya. Question number 25 दोस्तों, the dynamic Turki ने Chehelgani, the corps of 40 nobles, was systematically organized by which Delhi Sultan Iltutmish? Question number 26, which medieval text written by Ziauddin Barri provides crucial insights into the history of Tughlaq and Khilji dynasties? Tariq-e-Firozi Shahi. The famous Hundi system during the Mughal and medieval period operated effectively as a, that is, bill of exchange oblique promissory note used in mercantile network. Under the Mughal Empire, Mughal administrative framework, the provincial officer responsible for maintaining law, order, and criminal justice was Fauzdar. Question number 29. The custom of Sajda, prostration, and pious kissing the Sultan's feet was introduced in court etiquettes by Balban. Option B. Question number 30. Who among the following Bhakti saint founded the Varkari sect centered around Vithala worship in Maharashtra? A. Janeshwar. Third question number 31st. The administrative institution reforms introducing the dual system of Jat and Savar within the Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. The dynamic agriculture credit loans called Sondhar or Takav were issued to peasant by which sultan during times of distress? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next is the architectural complex of Fatehpur Sikri, including the Buland Darwaja, was built to commemorate Akbar military conquest of Gujarat. The question number 34. The Italian traveler Niccolo Munci, who wrote the comprehensive Storia do Mogar, worked as a physician in the court of Dara Shikoh Aurangzeb. Question number 35. The administrative system of Astha Pradhan Council of Ministers assisted which historical ruler? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Ashtapradhan Council of Ministers, that was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 36. Which Mughal emperor completely banned the cultivation, sale, and public consumption of tobacco in his empire? That was Jahangir. The historical dynamic text Amukta Maledha, reflecting political ideology and Vaishnavite devotion, was authored in Telugu by Krishna Dev Rai. The custom of Chauth, collected by Maratha statesmen, 1/4 of land revenue collected from neighboring non-Maratha territories for protection. The building of permanent canal network and structure irrigation work was a hallmark policy of which Tughlaq monarch? Firozshah Shah Tughlaq. Question number 40. The iconic architectural style of Pietra Dura inlay work on marble structure achieved its creative peak during the reign of Shah Jahan. Question number 41. The British East India Company obtained the permanent Diwani right of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha via the Treaty of Allahabad, following which battle? After Battle of Buxar, 1764. For question number 42. The socio-economic critique of British rule known as the drain of wealth theory was first explicitly articulated by Dadabhai Nehruji. Question number 43. The permanent land revenue settlement Zamindari system of Bengal was introduced in 1793 under the Governor Generalship of Lord Cornwallis. Question number 44. Who among the following established the dynamic Satya Sodak Samaj in 1873? It was Jyotiba Phule. Answer B. Question number 45. The aggressive structural colonial policy known as the Doctrine of Lapse was extremely utilized to annex princely state of Lord Dalhousie. Option B. Question number 46. The highly impactful tribal insertion known as the Ulugan, the Great Tumult, was led by Birsa Munda. Which British constitutional act introduced the system of diarchy at the provincial level of the first time? Government of India Act 1919. Question number 48. The famous safety wall theory regarding the foundation of Indian National Congress implies that the organization was created to A. Act as an institutional shield protecting early British rule from popular revolutionary outbursts. Question number 49. The Vernacular Press Act of 1878, which severely curbed the freedom of Indian language newspaper, was enacted by? That was Lord Lytton. Question number 50. At which specific session of Indian National Congress was historic Purna Swaraj Complete Independence resolution passed in 2029? That is Lahore session, option C. Question number 51. The revolutionary socio-political weekly journal titled Al Hilal was founded and edited by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Question number 52. The system of individual agrarian settlements known as Rayatwari system was originally devised and executed in Madras Presidency by Alexander Reed and Thomas Munro. Question number 53. The Daimlik Santhal rebellion of 1855 to 56 took place primarily in the geographical tract known as Damane Koho. Damanai Koho. Question number 54. Who among the following served as the political mentor to Mahatma Gandhi when he returned from South India, South Africa? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option B. The dynamic Ghadar Party was founded in 1903 in San Francisco by which key revolutionary leader? Option A. Lala Hardayal. The controversial Ilbert Bill controversy during Lord Ripon's viceroy was directly connected with the issue of legal and judicial equality between Indian and European judges. Question number 57. The Radical Revolutionary Youth Association known as Naujawan Bharat Sabha was formed in 1926 by Bhagat Singh. Question number 58. The Historic Communal Award announced by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald in 1932 lead directly to which pact? That Pune Pact. Option B. 59. Who among the following was chosen as the very first individual Satyagrahi by Mahatma Gandhi in 1940? Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Question number 60. The Indian Universities Act of 1904, which increased state control over higher education institution, was introduced during the tenure of Lord Curzon. Question number 61. The archaeological discovery of structural granaries along with worker platforms arranged in rows outside the citadel is a prominent feature of Harappa. Question number 62. The ancient administrative territory or ecozone known as Mulai in Sangam geography represented pastoral oblique forest landscape. The historical custom of performing the Aswamedha sacrifice to assert empirical sovereignty was revived during the Gupta era by Samundra Gupta. Question number 64. The highly decorative lion capital, which is currently adopted as the national emblem of India, was originally erected at Sarnath. Question number 65. The trade network of the Harappa civilization with Meluwa mentioned in cuneiform text indicate ancient links with Indus Valley region. Question number 66. Who among the following historical king assumed the structural title of Gangaikonda Chola after expanding his territory up to Ganga's Rajendra Chola I? Question number 67. The famous Nanda Desi and Mane Gramam in the early medieval dynamic socio-economic space refer to powerful merchant guilds operating in maritime and inland trades. Question number 68. The basic historical manual or medicine and anatomy and Pharmacology, known as the Charak Samhita, is associated with the court of Kanishka I. The historical theory that the decline of the urban phase of the Indus Valley civilization was due to ecological changes and drying of rivers was formulated by G.L. Posey, Sherian Ratnagar, Robert Raikes. The text titled Kitabul Rehla, providing rich socio-economic and geopolitical details of 14th century India, was authored by Ibn Battuta. Question 71. The religious department tasked with enforcement of moral laws and checking un-Islamic practices under Aurangzeb was headed by Mutasib. The specific revenue term hasil in medieval land administrative record explicitly denoted the actual revenue collected from the field. Question number 73. The custom of Izara or revenue farming, which grew rapidly during the late Mughal period, led to exploitation of peasantry or by subcontractors bidding for revenue collection. Question number 74. The foundational forties of British power in southern India, named Fort St. George, was constructed at Madras. Question number 75. The first formal structure census of India was initiated under Lord Mayo in 1872, but the first synchronous census occurred under Lord Ripon. Question number 76. The prominent radical fraction which within the early 20th century national movement known as Lal Bal Pal comprised Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Question number 77. The popular peasant movement known as Indigo Movement Revolt 1859 to 60 erupted extensively across which region? So it's Bengal. 78. The strategic subsidiary alliance framework to systematically reduce the sovereignty of Indian princely state was introduced by Lord Wellesley, who among the following established the Abhinav Bharat Society, a secret revolutionary group in 1904. V.D. Savarkar. Question number 80. The historic Lucknow Pact of 1916 is highly significant because it witnessed the joint agreement between the moderates and extremists along with the Muslim League. Question number 81. In the dynamic transition towards Neolithic economics, which site provides evidence of pit dwellings and domestic dogs burial alongside masters? It was Burzhom, Kashmir. 82. The structural conceptual classification of administrative land into Khalsa under the Delhi Sultanate indicated land under direct control of Central Crown Revenue Department. Question 83. The unique institution philosophy of Sulh-e-Kul, universal peace tolerance, was developed and propagated by Akbar. The comprehensive architecture, structure survey and preservation of ancient monuments was institutionalized through the setting up of ASI by Lord Curzon. The localized radical trade association known as the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association Mazdoor Mahajan Sabha was formed by Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 86. The dynamic historical document Peshwa Daftar served as a crucial primary text source for constructing the history of the Maratha administrative. Option B. Question number 87. The British commercial enterprise known as managing agency system specialized in option B. Operating as corporate network managing multiple tea, coal and jute industrial concerns. Question 88. The famous radical publication titled Bandi Jeevan, which served as a textbook for early revolutionaries, was written by option B. Sachindranath Sanyal. Question number 89. The prominent social reformer who earned the title Lokti Wadi due to his insightful socio-economic essay was Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Option A. Question number 90. The Wood Dispatch of 1854 is universally referred to as the Magna Carta of English education and structured academic hierarchy in India. Question number 91. The concept of subaltern studies in Indian historiography was pioneered by Ranjit Guha. Question number 92. Which historical school view the history of India primarily as a product of class conflict and economic structure? That is Marxist school. Question number 93. In historical research methodology, the process of verifying the authenticity of document origin is called external criticism. Option B. Question number 94. Who wrote the canonical text? What is history? Exploring historical objectivity and caution. Option A. E.H. Carr. Question number 95. The approach to history that looks at local memory, folklore, and spoken testimonies is known as oral history. Option B. Question number 96. Who among the following is regarded as a key feature of the Nationalist School of Indian Historiography is R.G. Bhatnagar. Question number 97. The concept of analyzing history through the long-term structure, la longue durée, was championed by which school? That is Annales schools. Question number 98. The practice of using primary sources to check the factual consistency within a historical text is part of internal criticism. Question number 99. Who authored the multi-volume The History of British India, which divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British periods? Option B. James Mill. The last question is, the ultimate objective of an exegesis in historical or scriptural research methodology is to, option B, critically interpret and explain the exact meaning of a text. आई होप आपको ये 100 क्वेश्चन अच्छे लगे होंगे. काइंडली रिवाइज इट एंड थैंक यू.